How long can I leave an uncooked steak out? This is similar to this question, see link 1. But hopefully different enough. I have 3 porterhouse steaks sitting in my refrigerator that I need to cook up tonight. I've been told leaving them out for an hour and salting them a half hour before cooking is the way to do it. However, scheduling conflicts dictate that I either leave my steaks sitting out for an hour and a half to 2 hours, or eat at 9 o'clock at night. Will the steaks be okay being left out that long? Or will I need to just suck it up and eat a late dinner? Note: my apartment is usually kept at around 70 to 75 degrees.
Even if you just pull them out for about 30 minutes once you get home, that will be better than not letting sit out at all. The main benefit is that it will cook easier and you'll have a natural gradation from brown to pink on the inside rather than the gray color that often occurs. I myself don't typically pull meat out an hour before cooking it. But as long as they haven't previously been sitting out for an extended period of time, most likely you'll be okay for 1.5 hours since the steaks will be cold when set out. Make sure that they remain tightly wrapped, covered to minimize exposure to air. I suppose, in the end, this is more a question of how you like your steak cooked. If you like it rare, then you probably won't want it out very long in the first place. If you like it well done, then really you can leave it out for hours and it's not going to make much difference. For the elusive medium, you have to have the steak around room temperature, or the inside is going to cook too slowly. That'll leave you with the involuntary medium well, or a band of underdone meat. So judge based on the ambient temperature, not arbitrarily by time. Sitting beside the grill for 5 minutes in the summer in the south will bring your steak up to an acceptable temperature. On the other hand, if your house is 50 degrees year-round though, it can probably sit on the counter for a while without danger.